Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Burmi from Ace Driving School. So right now I have more than 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I really appreciate it. Thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for all the feedback that you're giving me on the videos. So I really appreciate it. In return, I have decided to give out 50 Canadian dollars. So you can see here I'm holding 50 bucks. So you have a chance to win 50 Canadian dollars. Okay, all you need to do is you just open this link. This link should be somewhere on the screen here, and it's also in the description below. You just open this link and you have to click on I want to win. Okay, so click on this button, enter your first name, your email address, and then just hit I want to win this money. Okay, I want to win. So enter your information. Then you have to like us on Facebook. Okay, so like my Facebook page. You can share this page as well. So you can share this page on Facebook, on Twitter, and that's it. Then you have a chance to win $50. Thank you everyone. That's it for this video. Again, you want to open this link from the description or from the video. It should be somewhere on the video as well. You just have to enter your email address here, like my Facebook page, and share this page on Facebook or Twitter, Google Plus, and that's it. And then you have a chance to win $50.